Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys here at all times. Today I just want to give you a little difference, in the vlogging, as I want to give you a little rundown on my brethren on the stream right here. Just stay tuned while we chat up with him and see what is so special about this car. Alright guys, let's get into it. Mr. Brando himself, man.
Big up.
And where them call you? Yeah? Street Extreme Boss.
Yeah, man. Car group,
Welcome to the channel,
Alright, pull the next door.
Yeah, man, pull up the door, man, car. You don't know, the Lambo door, I hit have the girls them week, right? No, I don't have the girls them week, but trust me, as a car enthusiast, we just love to see them, you see me? I love to see them, Yeah, man. Alright, folks, so this is Brando,
Bless up.
He's the leader of the Street Extreme
logo.
Street Extreme car group. And as much as this is a silica channel, it's a car channel. And I've always want to kind of get a little vlogging on this fully customized Honda Stream, which is the owner, Brando.
Yes.
Alright. So Brando, tell me why Honda Stream?
Why Honda Stream?
Yeah.
The first time I see a stream, I did like it. The look sight and
Yeah.
and stuff like that. Yeah. So normally I love the Honda Stream.
Alright. I would have said to why I asked you that question there? Because we pull up at the show, I'm going to say have your two little kids them, your two little girl, and I love that bro. Yeah, man. I love seeing the angel them, man. I love seeing the father bring them angel, and you don't know? Yeah. So as it's a station wagon car, it is fully customized and just right for the kids them, you see me?
Yeah.
And I would say in Jamaica, this is the most customized on the stream. It's gone to an extreme. Walk over the car and show me some things where you do.
Alright.
I'm sure it's all over the place already, but tell my channel, tell my viewers them where you do to the car so far.
Alright, so I have a custom front bumper, right? A custom front lip.
Yeah. As
well. The headlights are custom, projector and halo rings and all of them stuff.
Right. And normally this car don't come with them thing that people. So when it's a custom, it means I take out the headlamp, pull the headlamp, put all them stuff you aim at talk about in the headlamp.
Yeah.
So say fully custom.
Yeah, definitely. And it's a general one jump in there plugging out.
Yeah man, but we do a thing, Alright, you see the engine bay pretty like a Christmas.
Right. So for the engine bay now, right? This is what we call hydro dip.
Yeah.
Right. Big up the dip boss. For this it's a hydro dip, and the other colors like even up here so we call airbrush. Big up to Cleveland from Permical. Yeah, but
I always respect the airbrush them because them so detailed and neat.
Yeah.
Have the spray brush I do them thing there. Trust me, I always rate it.
Alright. Yes, Dynamics, create a plexiglass thing here, so just make him know what I want.
I don't know people
and put the team name
Brando,
right,
and the team name Street Extreme. I don't know.
Alright, and the pre-flow and all of them stuff. Big up to Sean Fiber.
Yeah.
Right.
Glass bonnet,
and set it up nice and them thing there.
Yeah.
And thing. Alright. A fender. Alright, a custom fender. Right, if you notice, you have the mesh thing right here, and also have light inside of the fender. Right. Also the indicator, you know, stream door come with those type of
Exactly.
indicator, yeah.
So you see why we say it's fully custom, people. Yeah, man, fully custom. Me love that fender though.
Yeah, man, nice, man.
I always admire the fender and I see it with the little light coming through. It's a special touch on it, you know.
The rims, 19 by 9.5, you know, and you know the wide body kit is on it. Is a stream fully wide body kit.
Exactly.
Stream, right around the entire vehicle. Alright. And thing.
See it there?
Yeah, man, fully wide body kit. Alright. The side mirror. Right? I notice a lot of people start go after the whole side mirror thing. So what I do is come up with my own concept for the style I want with my side mirror to make it look different from everybody else's one.
Yeah.
Right? So
love that.
It's not something where you can just buy. This is something we create. Right?
See that, people?
Yeah.
Fully custom.
Lamborghini door, as you can see. Right? I always love how the Lamborghini them set up them thing with them door up in the air and stuff like that. That thing I always tell myself something I want.
Yeah.
Right? So I accomplish that. Custom side skirting. Right? And thing. People tend to ask me what is this and why I'm have on tree muffler, but really and truly it's not really tree muffler, right? Well, some people call it muffler still, but you have two exhausts at the back. This is raw sound from the engine, right? So on the vehicle it have a thing what them call butterfly, it have a valve on it.
Yeah.
Right? So once I click that switch, where it do, it kill the sound from the back.
The exhaust at the back.
Everything through here. So here's give you an extremely loud sound.
You know, to be honest with you, as I said, people always ask you. All along I've seen it like at car shows and things, and I always think that that's basically just the exhaust come up there, so, and that's it.
Yeah, a straight exhaust come here, so, but you have
a valve where open and close.
When we turn it on. So whenever I want the vehicle to be extremely loud, turn on that particular switch.
Alright.
Right, and thing. Well, you see the other two regular muffler around the back, 2 4-inch.
Right.
Right. Well, the vehicle came with one muffler, but I put a double pipe it.
Okay.
Right. So custom exhaust and straight pipe. The back bumper. Right. The concept. The vehicle I get this concept from is from a Supra, really and truly. Before the Supra did even they are Jamaica still.
Yeah.
Right?
Wait, which one is Supra? The MK5? The new one. The new one.
You know the Supra have like some dotted holes in the middle?
Yeah, that's the MK5. We can't, it's a Toyota, man.
Oh, so you don't know about it?
Yeah, because you know you have the MK5, you have MK4. The MK4 is the one everybody love, the one we coming out movie, the bad one. 2JZ, you see me?
Alright, because even when we just customize this, we did have the same whole thing them on this, but afterwards, me nobody like it, so when we do, because this is a glass, and a lot of people don't know this is a glass.
Oh,
right?
So it reflects.
On switch. You can look on it. I have light in here as well.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, I get it.
This is a glass, right?
Yeah.
And things. So a lot of people don't.
I like that effects, bro.
Yeah.
You see what happened now? Customizing a car is really reflect the person, what the person feel inside, the person dream. You understand? So that's why when we see a car like this, fully custom, you have to check the owner. Because the owner bring out where inside them art, you see me?
For real.
So yeah, man.
Alright. This is the custom bumper light.
Yeah.
Right? Car bumper light. Right, I get this concept from the new CRV them, right? Even before me see it on any CRV, right? Me just see the design and me just like it, and I tell myself so when me create this, I want to have that type of CRV, the new CRV them bumper light type of situation on the back, right? And all right, this is also. What them call it again? Mid spoiler?
Mid spoiler.
Yeah, this is also custom.
Fiberglass.
Well. Yeah, right? Fiberglass as well. This I don't think you see any stream with a spoiler
no,
like this.
No, because this look fully custom.
Yes, this is
like,
also a custom.
And you draw up this, tell the fabricator how to do it.
How to set it up, everything.
It look that way there.
Right, so, yeah. Alright, so this is the gas tank cover, glass, custom
plexiglass,
as well. And thing.
with the light in there, people.
Yes, I put light in it as well.
Yeah, man. So basically, this is a show car, people.
Yes, it's a show car. The roof as well. If you look inside and you look up,
yeah,
right, you realize it's a moon roof. Right, you can look on it from the inside. Right, so you notice it's a moon roof with nice light inside as well.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So a few customization to the interior, hydro dip as well, with the airbrush. Right. Something. So it's a well custom car and fully lit, have a lot of lights and stuff.
I realize
like
that.
Well.
But your team, as I see it from your t-shirt, I realize it's saying neon lights and performance. So basically your group reflects that, which is a lot of lighting, custom lighting and performance car.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad we get to pick the leader now, because trust me. Come on. So folks, this is one of our baddest, I would have said not one of, but the baddest custom stream in Jamaica right now, and it's owned by the team leader Brando from Street Extreme. You might see this car on the internet already, but I really appreciate and big him up for you. Let me get a little vlog to put on my channel, because as a car enthusiast, and we all do, that's why you're here, people, is to see cars that are different from what you see every day. And tell me something, Brando.
Yeah.
You're a car here. I'm sure you don't drive this car every day.
No.
Because how this car low.
Today's which date?
Today is Sunday. Today the 6th, 7th?
The 7th?
Or the 9th. I don't remember. One of them days.
Well, is it the first may I drive?
Today 19th. Ross, sorry.
The 19th.
I saw the year gone already, bro.
I first drive it since the year start. I think the last time I drive it was, I think, at Isa Wheels.
Okay, so as I asked before, it's actually a show car.
Yeah.
So you mostly drive it when you go to them kind of event here?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright. Well.
Oh yeah, I think I bring it to Permical, yes. I brought it to Permical.
Yeah, there was a school event that you brought me to.
Yeah.
Bro.
School tour.
Respect,
Yeah.
As I said, I always want to, bring your car up on the channel, because I admire it, I respect the customization on it. So thank you for giving me the chance to bring it to the channel and to show it to my subscribers and my viewers. Yeah, respect, man. And we always book up at the show them, because somebody had to show them, but we always never get a chance to really do this.
Yeah,
so big up again. All right. There you have it, guys. So this is I would say that this is the baddest understream customization in Jamaica right now, and I'm really appreciating the owner, Mr. Brando, for letting me question him a little bit about his dream and his car, and share with you guys. As the evening sun going down, you can see a bit more of the lighting on it and what the effects and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video. Like the video if you do, and share a comment, your thoughts on it. Some people may love the customization, some may not, but yeah, drop a comment in the section, guys, and let me know what you think about this car. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next video.